Imagine waking up feeling lighter, knowing your body worked for you while you slept. Many people struggle with stubborn belly fat, hitting the gym for hours and counting every calorie, yet the scale barely moves. The secret isn't just in your daytime grind. Your metabolism naturally dips during sleep, and late-night snacks only force your body to store fat. You can change this cycle tonight with one simple, natural ritual. Take a glass of warm water, squeeze in half a fresh lemon to help your body flush out toxins. Add a small pinch of cinnamon to help stabilize your blood sugar and kickstart fat metabolism. Stir it well, and drink this mixture 30 minutes before you head to bed. This is not a magic potion, but a powerful tool to support your body's natural functions. Pair this with a light dinner and 7 hours of quality rest. Small, consistent actions lead to lasting results. Will you try this tonight? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below.